I'm going to be showing you how to open another store on Etsy. So you can open another store on Etsy, but there are rules. You can't just randomly create unlimited stores under one identity. So here's the correct way to do it on 2026. So the first thing you need to know, the important rule is Etsy allows multiple shops, but each shop must be clearly separate. So you must use a different shop identity, a brand or niche. You still manage them under the same account if allowed. So the first thing you need to do is log into Etsy, make sure you're signed into your account, and then you need to find the option that says sell on Etsy. And once you're there, you need to find this option right here that says open your Etsy shop, or if you already have one, it'll say open a new shop, and then you can just tap there and you can just redo everything you did the first time you created a shop. You just need to enter your shop language, the country, the currency, choose a new shop name. It must be unique and can't match your existing shop. It should also represent a different niche. You also need to add your first product. Etsy requires at least one listing to activate the shop and set up payments. Again, bank details must be same or different depending on setup, and tax info and billing card. And then you can launch shop. So this is how you open another store on Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.